Hey guys, Brad here from the Men's Canadian Sledge Hockey team. I've always been a huge fan of unboxing videos. I spend hours on YouTube checking them out, and I know a lot of people really enjoy them. So when I got a parcel today from one of my sponsors, PDG Mobility, I thought what a perfect opportunity to put together my own unboxing videos. So hopefully you enjoy and you get to see what fancy new chair that they've sent me. Are we rolling? Mm-hmm. We're on. All right, here we go. So, crack into this. Hopefully I'm not slicing something else in here. When it comes to packages, I get right into it. This might be also a watch Brad cut his hand open video. And then this is where we do the fast forward of me cutting. 4 hours later. You know, kids, don't cut towards yourself. Always away. Don't do what I do. Do as I say. Da, 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 da. Sweet. Looks like a wheelchair's in here. If I can just pull it right out. Pretty nice. Oh, a little package. Open that. Da-da-da-da. Can't have a wheelchair without wheels. Yeah. Nice. From what I can see, it looks pretty damn nice. Wow. These are spinner dudes. These are some nice wheels. That's for sure. I think that's everything. On the bottom. We'll get into the other stuff here that they sent. Get this open. Some goodies in here. We got bubble wrap. Okay, I'll stop doing that. These are just the axles for the wheels. Ooh, PDG right on there. Pretty nice. A lot of detail. Nice little practice jersey for me too when I'm out on the ice to represent. You see that? That's cool. And get some takeaways for anyone that's interested in having a sick elevation wheelchair. Operation manual. Step 1, sit in your wheelchair. Step 2, your wheelchair. Well, let's put this thing together. Here she is. Let's get some of this plastic off. As you can see, hydraulics underneath for lifting it up are all under here. This is the selling feature right here. Whoa, it's crazy. With any chair, there's always stuff that you gotta adapt or modify. I have a seat cushion on this too. But yeah, I got weird legs, so they don't always just fit perfectly. But yeah, as you can tell, it feels really nice too when it goes down, not like the other one. This is the newer model. This is like the newest one. And these side guards are amazing because my jackets get filthy. And then this lets you tilt, tilt backwards. It's so smooth. It's way smoother than the other one. I got brakes, even though I'm not a big fan of brakes, but these are pretty nice. Like, kind of stay out of the way. Pretty nice. Put my cushion on there. How's it look? Feels good. Well, there you have it. This is my new chair, and I just want to say thank you to my friends at PDG for sending it out before I'm off to Korea. And yeah, really awesome chair. It feels really nice, really smooth, and I'm gonna make a few adjustments, but I'll figure it out. Overall, pretty happy. Looks pretty sharp. I like the white and the red for sure. Elevation on the back. So yeah.